All right, hi everybody. I'm going to do a demo here of an outside drawing. Sorry, help me as I get rolling here. So I'm going to be drawing this guy, and that's our rooster. It's not my rooster. I'm at my daughter's farm. These guys crow like middle of the day. That's Boomer. He'll try endlessly to get the chickens. Here's what we're drawing. A small building. Okay, you got to get a small building. It can be a little storage shed, which is kind of what these are, these old buildings on the farm. On campus, for face-to-face students, we're going to find there's little six-sided buildings on campus that are kind of like storage sheds for the grounds crew or something. Basically, these are boxes, and that's how you need to try and see them. Now, when you're outside, it can be overwhelming. It's a bit of a freak out because it's just so different from inside, where everything's controlled and small and the lighting is kind of controlled. Outdoor, it's unwieldy and there's so much space. But try and just think. The ground is like the tabletop and the little building is like a box. In my case, a couple of boxes side by side with slanted tops. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to handle the trees, foliage. So I'm going to do my demo here. I'm on my iPad. I'm just going to draw on my iPad, but it's the same thing. Okay, let's see here. All right, so here's my sheet of paper. Let me just see how my pencil's doing. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. So I'm going to start like I would any drawing with sort of a first 5-minute drawing, meaning I got to lay out the whole page. Remember, you're always drawing the whole drawing. So I'm looking at this building. I want to very quickly get a sense of, no, that's not going to work. Let's see here, get my eraser. Okay, so a little bit more like over here. And just very quickly, I'm judging the angles, approximately. Shoot, that's not going to work either. So erase a little bit. I'm going to move over on my page. My building is on this one side quite long. All right, something like that. I can also see a little bit of a building off in the distance, so that's going to kind of go off the page here. I'm looking at where that building kind of runs into my building. I've also got a tree up here, which very important when you draw trees. You do not think of them in terms of like drawing every leaf. You see trees as a mass, as a shape. So you draw them like that. There kind of come a time for drawing something sort of leaf-like, but I can see a little bit of the driveway that comes in here and the grassy bottom, sort of where my building meets the grass. I'm comparing right now, I can tell you right now, I'm comparing this width with this width. And Boomer, don't eat the grass. And I'm really going to use my pencil, even though it's like an expensive Apple Pencil stylus thing. Wow, see, I got that wrong. So if when I do a measurement, this is like 1, and then there should be 2 of those here. Oh, well, hot damn, I'm pretty good. That's not bad. So my proportions aren't bad to begin with. Now I've got a little bit of a break here. I've got like one shed here with a shorter roof, and then one shed here with a sort of a taller roof. Now look, this is very important. If you think about it, I'm sitting out here in the grass on a chair, and I can estimate my eye level's probably about here, right? My eye level is about that height in relationship to the building as I look at it right now. What that means is the bottom of the building, see like down here where it meets the grass, or the blacktop, or that's lower than my eye level, right? The top of the building up here, this and this, that's above my eye level. So remember what the rule is. If something's below your eye level, as it goes away from you, it has to come up to get to your eye level. As it goes away from you, if it's above you, it has to go down to get to your eye level. All of the things like the side of this building and this side and this roof up here, all those things, if you want to create the appearance that they're receding or going away from you, they always have to move toward your eye level. Am I Shoot, where are we at here? There we are. Am I making that clear? If you are drawing a box or drawing a building, they're the same thing. Any of the lines that appear to be receding away from you. So in my case, I turn this around. My case, the bottom of the building, where it meets the grass, or where it meets the driveway on the left, for those things to appear to go away from me, they have to come up because my eye level's above them. Top of the roof, top of the ceiling, over top the doors there on the left, to make it look like they recede away from me, they've got to come down in order to kind of meet my eye level, right? So here it is, my eye level across the center. These guys are coming down to appear like they're going away. I mean, this guy's coming down because the roof is slanted. And by the way, I don't have that nearly slanty enough. It'll be much slantier. Ooh, that looks so much better. Way to go, Brooke. These guys, this guy goes up just a little bit. I look at that angle, it's slight. This is a much steeper angle. Okay, so I need to use my eraser a little bit and lighten some of these things. You know, even though I'm on an iPad, I still want my drawing to have kind of authenticity and feel real. You know, I want to develop that sense of sort of a skin on the surface, not you know, it's not a cold blank image. All right, back to my pencil. Again, I can suggest there's a little bit of grass here. This is all grass down here. You can also see, by the way, a bit of a shadow of the chicken coop. Now, this is a line drawing. You guys should be working with pencil, your range of pencils.